falls out. Ah! Oh my God! How does it fall out every time? Let's see how we're gonna mount this bumper. That will not work. This would work, but I don't really like the way that looks. We're fixing to f this up real bad, or it's gonna go perfect. There's no in between for this. None of the holes actually line up. I'm gonna drill a hole right there in the middle, where that hole lines up. Moment of truth. Oh my God, it's so close. That's not going anywhere. As cool as this looks, no matter where I mount it, on the bumper itself, that happens. The other problem is, that is way too close, and if the suspension goes down, that's gonna hit real hard if I'm turning. We don't want to have any of them issues. This whole thing is gonna have to get mounted on top right there. I don't care how I accomplish this goal. Cross-threaded, the back one over here. I hate this. It does look okay. We got 3 bolts holding the bar to the brackets. How I hooked that shit up backwards. Losing my friggin' mind trying to wire this stuff. I was trying to reorganize some of it. It needs to be done differently, but if you see in here, there's no space to do anything. So I added bus bars, if you guys haven't watched any of the previous videos, for ground and power right there. I have a battery switch right there, so none of this has power right now. Once you turn the battery switch on, it gets power to everything. Let's turn her on, see if she works. That is bright. I think she's good. The only thing we actually got to do now, test it out at night. I have these 2 pods to shine like straight down here. So if you do need light at night in front of this thing, you can just kind of shine it right there. And then if you need to drive around, this guy will take care of in front of you. It works. I'll show you guys the nighttime shot at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I think we're good. Works pretty good.